Hello friends, welcome to the Vedam mathematics classes. Today we are going to start with the chapter linear equation in two variables of class 10th. First of all, we'll understand what do you mean by linear. Linear means power of variable is 1. ठीक है? Okay. Equation all of you know that equation has equal to sign. Two variables like we have alphabets A B C D X, so A B C D till X Y Z. So among all these alphabets, we can consider any variable X and Y, A or B, and so on. In any form, we can use it. Variable means vary plus able, means anything which is able to change. Vary means change, able to change. That is what is variable. Means कि ऐसी कोई चीज़ जो चेंज होने लायक हो, दैट इज़ वेरिएबल. सो if I group it all, what does it mean? Linear equation in two variable means like if I have equation ax plus by is equal to c, equal to represent an equation c. Variable is x and y, its power is 1, so therefore it is linear equation. Linear equation means equal to in two variables. There are two variables, therefore we will say it's a linear equation in two variable. Now example of such sort of equations are like 2x minus 3y is equal to 4, or I can say it should be 2x minus 36y is equal to 0. This is also linear equation in two variable. Why? Because we are having variable power of the variable as 1 and we have equality sign, equal to sign, so therefore it's a linear equation in two variable. And these variables, these are variables, these are changeable, like their value changes according to the equation. So it is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Okay, now in this chapter of class 10th we will learn to calculate the value of x and y. मीन्स हमें वेरिएबल्स की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है. ये इस चैप्टर में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, एक्स एंड वाई की हमें वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी. जो एक्स एंड वाई की वैल्यूज़ आएंगी उसको हम बोलते हैं सॉल्यूशन ऑफ इक्वेशन. ओके, जो किसको बोलेंगे सॉल्यूशन ऑफ इक्वेशन? वैल्यूज़ ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई. ठीक है, नाउ वी विल लर्न अबाउट simultaneous linear equation in two variables. अभी हमने लर्न किया लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल. इसमें एक एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड ज्वाइन हुआ साइमल्टेनियस. साइमल्टेनियस मीन्स जो एक साथ, साइमल्टेनियस मीन्स एक साथ. लाइक if I have 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 and another equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 2. So these two equations are linear equation in two variable since they are appearing in one pair. So it is simultaneous equation. So these are known as simultaneous equation. Okay, so a simultaneous linear equation in two variable is a pair of linear equation in two variable is said to form a system of simultaneous linear equation. Pair of linear equation. क्या? पेयर मतलब दो. तो दो इक्वेशंस इकट्ठी आए, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन सेकेंड इक्वेशन, दैट इज नोन एज साइमल्टेनियस लीनियर इक्वेशन इन 2 वेरिएबल। तो अब हमें करना क्या इस टॉपिक में, इस टॉपिक में हमें इनकी वैल्यूज़, इन वेरिएबल्स की वैल्यूज़ कैलकुलेट करनी है जब हमें 2 इक्वेशंस प्रोवाइडेड होंगी। ठीक है, फॉर टुडे वी विल लर्न दिस। In the next class we'll learn how to calculate the solution of the simultaneous linear equation in 2 variables. In the next class we will learn. Okay, so be tuned and thank you for watching my Vedam mathematics classes, and do subscribe it and like it. Thank you.